Man, I got to tell you, Frenchie, it feels good getting out of the studio for a day and into the fresh air.
I understand why my dad likes to work remotely now. People wonder why dogs love the beach so much, but it's actually pretty much the same reason humans love scrolling through videos. There's just endless amazing content out here.
Yep, the beach is packed with smells we never get to experience on an everyday basis. Seaweed, salt water, dead fish.
I also dug the biggest hole in the world earlier. The wet sand is extremely satisfying on a dog's paws. That's why we love digging, even if it makes a mess.
Bro, there's legit free food everywhere. My dad said I ruined 3 different families' picnics already by stealing their snacks. But in my defense, I was just protecting the food from the seagulls.